Let me show you my dance. Hey. Ah. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome. So before we cook, let us gist. This is not a cooking channel, so it's lifestyle. So we get to gist and talk before we cook.
I just want to talk about the inspiration behind the recipe for today. So a while ago, a friend of mine wanted me to help cook for her wedding. So it was just a small garden, just a few people. So she brought me the ingredients and the food stuff and all that. So while I was collecting everything she brought for me to make, I saw there was smoked fish. I was like, oh, smoked fish, where did you get your smoked fish from? I was really excited because I like smoked fish, especially thinking of Nigeria, right? So she told me where she got the smoked fish from, so I asked how much. When she told me how much the smoked fish cost, I was like, this thing here for this. I'm like, no way, I'm gonna make my own. So that's kind of the inspiration behind my Adobe's version of smoked fish. I've tried making it different ways. I used to even make it in my oven. I don't own a grill, so I used to make it in my oven. But you guys know I'm an air fryer girl. Air fryer is just straightforward. So guys, I'll be showing you how I make this smoked mackerel fish using your air fryer. Air fryer is something most people own, and it's a staple. I wanted to say staple. I don't even know if staple is the right word, but it's an equipment most people own now and have in their kitchens, and it's just straightforward. It's easy to use, it's less mess, it's straightforward. The other reason why I like to make my smoked fish is because most of the ones they sell in the store is frozen. For me, frozen smoked fish defeats the purpose. I like my smoked fish fresh, because when I'm cooking my soup, I want to use fresh smoked fish. So I usually make my smoked fish a day or two before I cook it. What else do I want to say? Smoked fish can be eaten by itself, just like a snack. You know, we Nigerians, like, well, Africans, if I can say, our snack is very interesting. What we call snack is very interesting. So you can just snack on smoked fish by itself. You can use it with some gari and cold water, or you can also use it to make soup and sauces like fish sauce, and you can really add it to any soup you're making. So guys, get started. For this tutorial, I'll be illustrating with mackerel. Mackerel is the commonly sold smoked fish in Nigeria. My fish was prepped already off camera. All I did was I washed the fish, put it on some paper towel to dry out the excess water and moisture. My fish has also been gutted already. To do that, just take your knife and just cut a straight line at the belly of the fish and just remove the insides. And I've also removed the gills from the fish as well. I'm just trying to position my camera so you can see the gills have been removed as well. I didn't want to show this because this is something most people already know how to do, and I really want to keep this video short and straightforward. Next, just dab lightly to remove any excess moisture. Anytime you're trying to smoke any kind of food item, you want that item as dry as possible to achieve that perfect texture and flavor as well. So just do your best and dry out as much moisture as you can. Next, take a little bit of salt and just rub all over the fish. A little bit of salt goes a long way, so just a little bit all over the fish. Next, I'm going to take my fish that way. Now, some people will put the tail of the fish in between the mouth of the fish and put a toothpick, but I really do not want to put a toothpick in my air fryer, so I'm going to just take the tail through where the gills are, pass it through there and bring it out through the mouth, just like that. And guys, when I do it this way, I find that my fish actually stays intact. Like, it stays intact and really keeps that traditional classic shape. Next, I'll take my air fryer and set it to 350 Fahrenheit. I'll take some cooking oil spray, and I'm using this just to prevent the fish from sticking. Mackerel fish is really oily by itself, but that is just to prevent the fish from sticking to the rack. And I'll carefully place the fish. Now my air fryer is really small, can only fit 2, so try not to crowd it in there. It's important to note that the total cook time could range from 60 to 90 minutes depending on the size of the fish as well as how wet or how much moisture was in the fish, so just adjust accordingly. It's been in the air fryer for about 30 minutes. That's what it looks like. So we're going to go ahead and flip this onto the other side, put it back in the air fryer for an additional 30 minutes. So it's been around 30 minutes now, and that's what it looks like. I'm going to carefully take that out. So this is the final product. It tastes so good. I'm gonna just confess to you guys, I forgot I was filming and I ate eating the other fish, so I only have this one for presentation. But guys, please give this a try. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Until next time.